So this is a Yard Machines 3.5 horse edger, and surprisingly it runs. The only thing I've done to it so far is clean it up, and when I first got it, both of the rear wheels were destroyed. They're the plastic one just like the front. So I put on some garbage picked wheels that I found a couple months ago, and those bolted up just fine. We're going to go ahead and just give everything a quick once over, but this machine runs, and it looks like it's been taken care of to some degree because the air filter is reasonably clean. Looks like it was just replaced. I've already checked all the linkages. They're all behaving as they should, so I'm not going to worry about that. The gas in it is fresh and clean. There's no water in it. So that's another plus going for it. Pull cord looks all right, but we've got one of these E3 plugs on it. And these are honestly one of the worst plugs you can put onto a small engine. They have a really funky design. So we'll throw a Champion on this thing and we'll be just fine. A used Champion will always be better than one of these. All right, I've already checked the oil and topped it off. That's all it needed. The oil was clean. Now, this thing was so dirty that it took a minute with the pressure washer to clean it up, and there was just a bunch of caked on dirt and all kinds of stuff here. So I don't know. I'm guessing they changed the oil at some point and just made a mess and didn't bother cleaning anything up. This thing is on here nice and tight. It's not coming out. So we'll get this thing outside, see if we can get it to start. Full choke, full speed. Let it warm up for a minute. Not bad. Does a decent job. Just got to get the blower out. And I'm pretty happy with that. Saved this one from the landfill. It's kind of amazing because it was out at the curb for a little while and nobody picked it up, but I did, and sure enough, it was worth it. Stay tuned for more videos.